Hello everybody, we want to show you about the pond that we take all the fish, all the water, and then we dry it become the land, the dry land, no water, to clear the virus and the bacteria from the ponds. So we clear it all and make it better one. So when the rainy season come, the water full of water in the lake, we will bring the water to full in here, okay? And then we put the new fish that we buy from Vietnamese, and delivery to our country by the person who sell it, and then we give the food to the fish to make grow up until we harvest it around 8 months or 9 months to collect the fish to sell to the market. And the fish that we sell, we have order from our client by at the midnight, and we collect it from the pond to sell it at night time, and they bring it to share to the market, to the local market, and to the local people in the morning. Thank you. See you next video. Thank you for watching.